Dexter, I've just reviewed your mission report. I can't believe this. A direct intervention by unknowns trying to change history? This is... I can't... There's no precedent for this. And you
She sounds
think your
very
weapons just bounce
sarcastic.
right off them? Who are these interlopers? We must find out.
She
I'll have the
already
team here
knows.
Find out what they can.
Bet
In
yeah,
the
she already
meantime,
knows.
we should stay out of the civil war. We still have a rendezvous opportunity with Petrovich just outside Frankenau.
Three. Reload speed. Don't you dare make a joke.
Hey, Morris. Why the long face?
Prick. Onward to
Tannenberg is pretty well overrun by this point, if you haven't guessed. You need to head south toward Frankenau, where it looks like the Russians have a rendezvous point. If you're gonna find Petrovich, you'll be there. You got a big chunk of forest to get through, and there's Germans all over the place. You won't have to break through any lines, but I guarantee you'll take fire. You can go left or right or down the middle, but there's farmhouses, trees, all sorts of places for Germans to hide and hold the road. Stay close to cover. And don't be a goddamn hero. I've arranged for a shotgun to be left for you in a farmhouse. And this ain't no ordinary 12-gauge. This is a fully automatic, high-capacity, recoil-balanced, kick-ass combat shotgun. That'll give you an edge, but it won't make you bulletproof, so be careful.
Ooh. However, I think I would prefer a machine gun than a shotgun. Bloody hell, it's snowing outside. Wasn't expecting that today. Ooh. Bird fell out the tree. How can a bird fall out of a tree? Huh. Oops. I apologise for that. I was distracted by a bird. Okay, I'm going the wrong way. Typical. Come on then. I'll be quiet. I'm here to kill you. Stop running when I'm trying to kill you. Oh, I did not kill him then. I like this rifle. That was a kill. I hit that other guy in the shoulder. Bloody hell, I thought the same as I'm waiting for a white Christmas, not I'm waiting for a white February. No, not Acton. Me run. Give me that bloody shotgun. Ah! Shit! Who shoot me? Bloody hell, did they use the dialect from Magica? think they did, you know. They've used the dialect from Magica. Nobody's staying around. I usually enjoy killing people, but there was just too many there. Some Vart guys there, I think I'll rendezvous with them. That's the first German resembling thing I've heard so far.
Сидите здесь и головы не высовывайте. Где медик? Гони их назад! Не нападай! Нам нужно больше людей на пункте. За родину! Вали всех мужиков! Так держать! Гаси по ним!
Why? Why are you shooting at me?
За деревьями! Вон там!
You will never win.
Это наша
And apparently I will never hit you.
смерть оккупантам! Подкрепление сюда! Высылай больше артиллерии!
Oh, what's that?
Ложись, ложись! Нам нужно больше боеприпасов здесь! Немецкий патруль! Артиллерия! Мы никому не уступим!
You got rid of my gun. I was looking forward to getting that.
Они все еще на нас идут! Ой, мужики! Вали их! За деревьями!
No!
Сидите здесь!
Not good idea, not good idea, not good idea, not good idea.
Не оставление для... Так держать! Гаси по ним! Ложись, ложись! Высылай больше артиллерии! Гони их назад! В собственную землю!
In here, my shotgun will deal with it. But there isn't.
Что, ребята?
Гони их назад!
Wow, these Russians are crazy.
Нам нужно больше боеприпасов здесь!
My tree.
Они атакуют с фланга!
Еще больше на левой стороне!
Change of position. Shift out my house.
Ложись! Найди дыру! Подкрепление сюда! Немедленно! Смерть оккупантам!
Who's shooting me? You. Die.
Немецкий патруль! Пленных не берем! Больше на левой стороне!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Они атакуют!
Медик! Где медик?
Bloody hell, why are there so many of them?
И головы не высовывай! Ложись, ложись! Давай, ложись! Гори их назад! Это наша!
They retreat like they're pixies.
Заряжаем!
Run, you pixie.
За родину! Нам нужно больше боеприпасов здесь! Не оставляй ни одного фрица!
Well, that worked. I would love to know where they were all coming from, though. Oh. Apparently I spoke too soon.
Мы перегруппируемся с войсками Петровича сегодня. Мы просто не можем позволить фрицам занять больше территории.
Come on, land there, land there.
Не к добру это затишье.
Отойди с дороги!
Knock out a few of them. Waste of ammo for the win.
Не дрейфим, мужики! Скоро мы опустошим их страну и пройдемся маршем.
This would make things a lot easier if I could actually understand what my own teammates were saying. Do you have infinite sprint on this or something? I mean, that seemed very unrealistic. I mean, you're carrying 2 rather heavy guns, your equipment, and futuristic devices, which would probably weigh a ton. There we go. I'm at sprint. Oh, so it's not in. Oh, miniguns.
Ох, чую, братцы, фрицы рядом. Ох, чую, фрицы рядом.
I'm a secret double agent. Be quiet. There's Dexter.
Ты идиот! Ты привел к нам врага! Бери винтовку на плечо
Maybe
немедленно!
leaving the Germans right here wasn't the best idea. So much for my superior mission plan skills, huh?
Well, you're always a prick, so I wouldn't expect you to have any intelligence. Oh, so you're not going to help me? Yeah, leave it up to me, why don't you? You just stand there and enjoy watching me probably die. This isn't my usual machine gun post. This is. I do not like shooting not straight from the front line. It's just not nice. If you're gonna kill people, you do it straight from where they're coming from, not like off to the side. Like that. Why aren't these guys dying in one shot?
Найди его! Следуй за ним, пока он не сдохнет! Так держать! Гаси по ним!
Give me the machine gun, quick! Ouch! I'm shooting at a broken tree stump thinking it was a German. I thought that thing was a German. Sugar, we've been overrun. And I'm dead. We have been completely overrun. You're about to win and you start retreating. Oh, that's it. You asked for this.
Забираемся на холм!
Why choose to get slaughtered when you're about to win? Oh well.
Немцы!
Мы покинем
I suppose that they can't help it. They were born idiots. Right, now where do I have to go? Interview with Dexter.
Артиллерия! Забираемся на холм!
Those Germans just keep coming, and the best way to overcome a numerical advantage is vastly superior firepower.
And have
I
you got
advise
this
you
vastly
unleash its righteous fury on
superior
the
firepower for
battleground,
me?
preferably the German side.
What's it? What is it? Like a minigun or some? Oh yes. Yes, retreat. Can I keep this gun, please? I really do love it. Oh, listen to that noise. Oh, it's an awesome noise.
All right, give me that. We can't have just
Oi.
anybody get their dick beaters on it. We're done at these trenches. Go join up with that patrol.
Oh,
Стоим насмерть, мужики. Нельзя позволить им пройти.
you could have given me a gun to replace it. I'm just stuck with this shotgun, which has a range of a bloody ant.
Мы и так отступили
Look at this.
слишком далеко. Давайте к шагу.
Look at that. There, and there.
Отойди с дорожки!
You're kidding me. It's those assholes. We gotta get out of here. Follow me.
Well, thank you very much for, like, instantly just shooting at me. Ah! Fuck off! I mean, apologies. Oh.
Они все еще на нас!
You're kidding me.
See, look, they're shooting at me again. I bet I'm gonna die before I even start the mission. This is gonna be horrible. How much I'm getting hit. Anyway, apart from that last death, that is the end of this part of Darkest of Days. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.